currently this water comes from the roots of trees and it is medicinal, except for these two. And I'm going to drink this water right now. And if you're coming over here, then definitely come here and drink this. A lot of people take it from here. Plus, the person who works here also goes and tries. It is medicinal, tastes like water, and definitely check it out. Okay, guys, change of this. You can drink from here also. I thought it was specially that. So yeah, you can drink from both. Actually, everywhere you can drink it. What is it? Uncle खाता थे? यार जाके था खापा कशे थे? काजू थी वो. काजू? कोई काजू नहीं. हाँ. अच्छा था. Oh, give me the other one, na? Oh, look nice. 10 minutes later, he all the branch like. Hey, wait. I'm feeding him. Desi shrooms. This is why you need to roam with the local. We have reached to my cousin's place and for some reason this looks very HDR. Got carried my drone as well and my laptop. My clothes is in my mom's bag. I don't know if she carried that. Okay, looks like she did. And that is the bus. What's up? Hi. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good.
How are you? It's recording today.
Hi. कैसा? No idea. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi. What's up, mate? What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Fuck. Can you get it? What's up, bro? What's up? What's up, bro? We are on our way. We are in the bus and we are on our way to the picnic spot. I low-key don't know the name of the spot. What's the name of the spot? Something Kurpe and something, I don't know. Hi. Give me high five.
High five. Give him high five.
Bro, what's up? Hello. Oh, answer to. Hello. Hey, drone fly, beta. So we just stopped and we're planning to fly the drone right now. Hi. Say hi for the vlog.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi, everyone. Hi.
Hi. Well done. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
And his name is John Cena. Thank you. Hi.
Who is going to take all this?
You are taking it. Damn, bro. Last time the
My dad, guys. Now you have to see him. Oh, say Papa, Papa, there is someone who got us over here safely, and his name is Rowan, and he owns this bus. So you guys know, I'm going to put his contact number down below, and he's going to get you guys safely over here to this location. So 10 on 10 experience. He also helped us out take the drone shot and all. He was asking whether there was, I hope you're not going to crash your drone and all. 10 on 10 experience. Where are we going?
I have no idea, dude. I think this side inside.
पूल मुड़े हम गेलो अच्छा हो हाँ पूल बेनी था सांगे हो पूल में सांभाळा या मित्रोच आहे होय ते स्लीपर
Yes! Okay, we're gonna. Are you excited?
Yes, sir, I am.
Can you see yourself?
Yes, I can see myself.
Boys,
Next area.
Kid pitre.
Yeah.
Oh, what we got here?
चिकन
Chicken. Oh,
So that one guy in the comment section. Watch me. 10 on 10, bro. 10 on 10.
guys, I'm shifting back to my phone because the Insta360 battery is low. We've carried a power bank though. So this is, I think it's for kids, but I've not used this yet. So I'm going to show you the normal pool where adults can have bath. Asin? And this is the 3 feet pool. Again, it's not filled, so kids also can't have bath here. But 3 feet, I think you know your height better. And this is a normal 4 feet pool where you can enjoy with your family and all that stuff and play games. There's a hoop over there. We've got a volleyball. See, the best thing is Blinkit. So Evander, he was at our place yesterday and he just Blinkit and he got a volleyball. Filled air today in the morning, and today we're just going to play in the pool. 10 on 10 Blinkit. Gen Z. Blinkit sponsor, bro, please.
So guys, I want to show you all something right now. Okay. So just watch Mario right now with the Insta360. Doesn't he look like a kid who just got a new toy? It's like we men just get bigger toys as we grow up, you know. So cute. Look at him. Cutie. I make money out of this.
Talk about the sandwich, and the sandwiches come.
tuna sandwiches
Let's do a taste test.
To that one guy in the Instagram comment section. 10 on 10, bro. Peep. Copyright issues, that's why. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you a joke, okay? So,
No.
basically, there was a dog on a hypotenuse.
Yeah.
And then it became Pythagoras. Understood the joke?
Oh my god. You know what? You screwed up. You directly asked him. You understood the joke. Wait till everyone laughs, no?
Oh, you should have laughed.
I'll tell her, you explain. Why you laugh? Why you laugh? Explain it.
I laughed.
Yeah, you laughed, but you laughed.
Because you said that.
What? Because of what?
He still didn't get what is going on.
Look at him.
Repeat it. Come here. So there is a dog and an hypotenuse. And they both make Pythagoras.
Understood?
Okay, I understood now. Got it.
Okay, explain the joke. Explain the
He also got it.
Something to do about angles. That is it.
Okay, come, go ahead. What's funny in it? Explain the joke.
So, the Pythagoras said, wait, what he said?
Jaden knows.
Yeah, I understood. Hypotenuse. Dog is,
Wait, let him explain.
Explain then.
dog is at the hypotenuse. It makes the Pythagoras.
Okay. He'll explain it to Mario. So this one. So basically, there is a hypotenuse and a dog, and they both make Pythagoras. Okay, good. Came to know? Yeah. No. But they understood, no? Both of them, friend and jokes on him.
You know what's the joke?
You know?
It's something.
There's no joke.
Something.
What was the joke?
He's still trying to think.
Oh, okay.
Is it like the. Then that's like.
Bro, went some other.
What did you smoke today? Tell me.
Tell them.
Yeah.
So, friend, the joke is, and Jaden, the joke is, focus on Jaden. The joke is, it is a meaningless joke. Understood? So, your explanations were. Oh, yeah, you know the fucker. You are explaining dog and the pony. Smile, smile.
Kiss.
Go for a kiss.
I'm wedding a birth today.
कैसा वेडिंग आएंगे पिकनिक है माता ही
These are my aunt, uncle and auntie.
Kiss